How to install VTube Studio on PC. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So just open up your Steam, and then after opening up Steam, what you want to do is just go to the search bar over here and then just search up for VTube Studio. So just click on this one right here. So that's the first one. And then once you're here, what you want to do is just simply download it since it's free. So I already have it in my library. So I'll just download it right now. I'll just click on install, click on accept, and then just wait for the download to finish. Once it's done downloading, just open up VTube Studio. Click on yes, and then just wait for VTube Studio to launch. There you go. We're now here in VTube Studio. So just click on OK, click on OK again, click on OK. So to start using VTube Studio, what we're going to do now is to just simply set up our camera settings and of course choosing an avatar. So to do that, just simply head over to settings, click on this camera icon right here on the top left corner. So in here that says webcam tracking, just click on choose camera, and then after that just look for your webcam right here. So for me, I'll choose this webcam over here. Click on select. Afterwards, just select your resolution right here. So I'll just choose 1920 by 1080. Click on select, and then just choose your frame rate after that. So I'll just select 30. Click on select, click on MJPEG, and then there you go. We have now connected our camera right here in VTube Studio. So what we're gonna do now is to just choose an avatar that we can use for VTube Studio. So just click on this change VTS model button right here, and after that just choose your model right here, or you can import your own model. So for example, I'll just choose one of the pre-built models right here. So for example, I'll choose this one. There you go, and there you go. We now have our model right here, and then there you go. As you can see, we can zoom in, zoom out from our model, and then as you can see, when I talk, the mouth of the model also talks as well. So it also copies your eyes and etc, etc. So yeah, so feel free to customize your model out. What you can also do in VTube Studio is also change the background. So you can choose selected backgrounds right here. So you can change it between background 1. You can also change between any kinds of backgrounds available right here. So for example, I'll choose this one, the Fruit Festival, and then there you go. We now have our background. Then what you can also do is lock model dragging. So if you do this, you cannot drag around your model anymore, but if you want to move your model around, you can do that as well. So yeah, feel free to customize out your model. And then some additional settings right here. You can also connect your accounts right here, like your Twitch account, your Discord account. You'll also get to see some advanced lip sync settings right here from your microphone settings. So you can also use your microphone in here, calibrate your lip sync settings, the mouse input config, and etc, etc. So feel free to view this section out. And then next is they have some model settings right here that you can also choose. So you can fix the white outlines, customize your model. You can also activate physics right here. You can also change the frame rate, the face rotation, and etc, etc. Next, you'll have access to your hotkey settings, so you can edit out your hotkeys right here, change the hotkeys. You can also enable gestures and a lot more. So yeah, feel free to check this section out if you want to customize your details with your model. And then after that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to install VTube Studio on PC.